Well, she's full of snow, but let's go pack our trails. So this is it, DIY homemade snow drag, snow groomer, and it works incredibly well. I used what I had lying around the house, and I had an old snowmobile hitch for an ice fishing toboggan, so I just used that. 2x6s, and then to get the nice sexy lines, just use some weeping tile pipe. Works like a charm. Just use a regular hitch tongue pin. Probably done about 10 miles of at least 10 miles of trails now. It hasn't broken yet, so it seems to be working. Well, it's not much and it didn't take long to build. I built it for less than 35 bucks Canadian with stuff that I had lying around. So, you know, check it out if you want to make trails for your kids. Like, we're doing it for horse sleigh rides. So if you want to do it for kids, snowmobiles, ATVs even, because it seems to be holding the Ranger pretty well. The Ranger's about 1,300 pounds, right? Plus you're pulling this, so it's doing pretty good. I don't have tracks. I'm just using the bare bone stock tires, so it works. Keep on it and hope for some good weather and lots of snow. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.